It's time for your quick twisted German cast on lesson. We're going to put a loop of yarn around the needle, give it a twist, put my thumb and index finger through or between the two pieces of yarn hanging off that needle, turn my hand back, draw down as if to do a long tail cast on, but instead of going up through the loop that's around my thumb, we're going to go around that loop and down from the top, up, grab the yarn coming off my index finger, and then back out through the thumb. So around the loop that's around my thumb, through it, pick up the yarn that's around my index finger, and then follow it back out through my thumb. Around, entering through the top, grab the yarn that's around coming off my index finger, and then back out through that loop.